4-piece jigsaw puzzle. At first it looked a very easy puzzle. Grab one piece and try to take out. No, not working. Try another one. No. Maybe two. No. Why? Why is it possible? Before I explain to you how is it possible, I'm going to show you how to solve it. First, take one piece like that, up, take these two pieces, slightly move up and make a gentle rotation, like that. Put back together, just keep piece like that, rotation, simple and gentle, and puzzle is done. How is it possible? The answer comes in the shape of the piece. If you notice the way the pieces are cut, it's not a right angle or 90 degrees angle. It's slightly different. When you move a piece, then go that way, but unfortunately the piece is blocked with that one. That's the reason. Simple trick, but very efficacious. Thank you for watching and see you next time.